charm. So baby, double down. So baby, double down. I could be your lucky charm. I could be your lucky charm.